So as you can see, Voltron is testing right now. It's 9:30 or something like that. I don't know the exact time, but we were standing at the main entrance of the Croatian themed area, but we were sent away because it got way too crowded. So yeah, now we're waiting. We are predicting that it will open at 10 AM, so in like 30 minutes, but... So status update, we're back here in this long tunnel pen queue. This is the extended queue and it's currently sitting on the Traumatica area. This is the Halloween event of the park and it's crazy how many people there are. Like, I expected so much people and that it's gonna be full, but I didn't expect this. Alright, we made it to the main extended queue line, I think. Guess what? We made it to the main entrance. Let's go! We're in the main outdoor queue. How long did we wait? I don't know. Editor version of me put it on the screen. This is crazy. We made it! We're here! I'm pretty sure we're gonna ride within the next 15 minutes. This is probably gonna be my final video before I ride Voltron. I'm gonna report back as soon as I rode it. I'm not gonna record my first ride. I'm not gonna use a GoPro. I'm not gonna make an on-ride. I just wanna let it sink in and enjoy the ride. So. I've just ridden Voltron Nevera here at Europa Park. I had my first ride. This is my on-ride reaction. And I just need to process this at first and ride it multiple more times. The first ride was amazing. But yeah, definitely need to ride it a couple of more times to get a real opinion or to feel ready to review the thing, but it's really good. Really good, and a long ride. Wow. What I can say is it's everything that I hoped it would be. So as you can see, we're on the Tiroler Wildwasserbahn now. Not even, like, the fire happened 10 months ago. And in this time, the old Zauberschlucht der Diamanten has been demolished and everything else has been rebuilt. It's tested and now it's operational again. 10 months! That's insane. Alright, I'm gonna hope that I'm not gonna get too wet here. Let's hope. Up! Up! Yep! That's a lot. That's a lot. Ist noch gegangen. Alright, so we just did everything from Alpenexpress to Tiroler Wildwasserbahn to Zauberschlucht der Diamanten, and for that they have demolished the old destroyed area and reconstructed and tested everything that's new. They did everything really well, like it's really good, and they just outperformed themselves, and it's just perfect. Like it's a worthy successor. My heart still sticks, or like my heart still prefers the old version, but for what they did with the new replacement after this tragic event, they did a really good job. How much cinnamon scent do you want? Europa Park? Yes. For real though, why is there such an intense cinnamon taste? So we're ending the Voltron opening weekend with my 12th ride, and this was once again a front row ride in the right hand seat, and in my opinion the front row right hand seat is the golden seat. Some people might prefer the back ride, but I personally think the front ride is the best seat. Such a good coaster, definitely my number one, as I already said multiple times. Damn, you need to get out to Europa Park and to ride this thing. It's seriously one of the greatest coasters in Europe. So yeah, that was it for this vlog. I don't know if it makes any sense. I say that in basically every vlog. But yeah, if you enjoyed it, thank you for watching. And the review is coming soon. I hope this isn't yet another empty promise. Just like... Okay, bye.